So many fans for tonight, Mr. Macario. I only have one question for you. What made you say yes to playing the role of Father Ruel Bellorio?
Para sa Diyos. Para sa Diyos pilihan ito. Kahit nino, wali para sa Diyos. Faith ang lahat ng tao na nito.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, palapakan po natin, playing the role of Father Ruel Bellorio, Mr. Macario! We'd like to invite our cast from the night together with the directors for a photo opportunity. And if you guys would be able to take a photo of this, please.
How difficult was it for playing? Direk, ang gagaling ng actor kong dalawa to, nahihirapan ka ba i-direct silang dalawa?
Actually, mas nahihirapan kami sa pagpapaganda ng yan. Okay. Mabuo, kumanap, napakalaking ito. We have to do a lot of research para napakapagpapaganda. Diba ito ng flowers, marami tayo visions na rest of the flowers. Isang pelikula na mag-inspire sa ating mga Pilipinas sa gitna ng business na nararamdaman ngayon. Dahil ang Pilipinas, kailangan ng isang pelikula na assistant ko.
Thank you very much. Makoy! What's up?
Red carpet, red carpet. Red carpet.
Thank you, Maga. Thank you. Got.
We would also like to invite the casts of Inline to please join us here in the red carpet in front of our photo wall for a photo opportunity with our media friends. Again, we would like to save us of SM City North and Side. Join the ever great Mr. Mondo Gallo, please, sir.
Thank you, nakakatuwa. 3 cinemas para sa premiere night ng